So in previous video we saw that if you run this particular if statement and provide this path ctemp Rahul, then it will display all the available files and folder in that particular path. But what if you enter some different path? So in this case, let me run this if statement again, and here I'm not entering this actual path which I have hard coded in the script. So instead of that, I'm just using ctemp. Okay, and if I use that, the program is just exiting it. It's not doing anything because you can clearly see that the condition is not true over here, so it's not executing this file and program is actually going to the end of file. So in this case, we will add else statement after this if statement. So let me go to this else statement.bat, and here what I can do over here is after this parenthesis I'm just using else. Okay, and then I'm using, so you can actually write some kind of code or commands over here if you want to perform some kind of task if this particular if condition is not true. But in this case I don't want to, I'm not just using any command. Instead of that, I'm just giving you a message that you have entered wrong path. Okay, let me save this file, and now I'm running this else statement.bat, and here I'm not entering the actual path, the hard-coded path. Instead of that, I'm just using c/temp, and it's actually giving me message that you have entered a wrong path. Okay, so here you need to make sure that else statement is not necessary every time. You have to write else statement when you have to say something or you want to declare something statement or any kind of commands if this particular if statement condition is not true. So when this else statement will execute, if this particular if statement condition is not true, then only this else statement will execute. Okay, so if you provide a correct path over here, so let me run this else statement again, and I'm just using a correct path which I hard coded ctemp Rahul, then it's only executing this if statement. It's just going to this particular path using cd, and then it displaying all files and folder using dir command. So if this condition is true, it will only execute if statement, whatever written inside that. If the condition is false, if this particular condition is false, then only it will jump to the else statement. So you have to make sure that you have to write else statement only if you want to say something if your condition is false.